Hello, friends. I do this thing for a meditation. I love fabric. So every time I go anywhere, I find fabric. I sew it in little shapes, usually squares because I'm not much of a sewer. And I leave one end open and I iron them so that I can sew it later easily. To these, my favorite thing to do is fill them up with lavender. And why lavender? Well, I love lavender. Everybody loves lavender. Lavender is so relaxing. And if you're a subway traveler, I don't often take the subway, but if you do take public transportation, especially these days, it can be stressful. And what you can do is squeeze your lavender sachet and breathe into it, and that scent will calm you down immediately. Also, it's antibacterial, so if you're worried about breathing anybody's germs, you can just put it up to your nose and it cleans the air. I don't know, I just think it's a wonderful thing to do if you have spare time and if you have extra lavender. I just love doing it. I've made thousands of them and I've sent them everywhere. And I just had this creative spurt, so I made a whole bunch more, and I hope you'll stop by, either shop or online, and get one. Thank you. Look at this lovely lavender. It smells so good too. I wish you could smell it. And as you're making them, you can chant your favorite mantra. You can pour all your love and good energy into the pillow. It's a lovely meditation. Yes, it's beautiful. Let me show you how many I made. I made a whole ton of them. Some cool prints. Florals, little kid animals, polka dots, mushrooms, and psychedelic. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.